Good morning, children. Welcome back for e-learning English subject of standard second. So today we are going to learn a new poem from unit 1, poem number 6, I Love Little Pussy. Okay, pussy, you know, pussycat, pussycat, cat. Okay, small kitten. Okay, pussy, we usually call them pussy. Okay, so let's listen, sing and act with me. Okay, let's get started for a poem for the day, and just repeat after me, okay, while watching the video. Okay, I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. Yay! So we are finished. So let's again sing the poem. Are you all ready? Okay. I love little pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, and she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. I will sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. So, the poem is telling you about a small pussy cat who is very cute. You know, cats are very playful, cute and naughty sometimes. Okay, so here there is a little girl who is having a pet at home. Everyone are having pets at home. Usually we keep pets at home like cats and dogs, okay, because they are very loving and they are very playful, and they are very naughty also. We can play with them whenever we want. They will never regret, or they will not never say that I don't want to play with you. Okay, they are always ready to play with us. Okay, they are very loving. Pets are very loving. We should take care of them. So here the girl is also telling us that I love my little pussy cat, her coat is so warm. Coat means her hair, or hair on the body, and if I will not hurt her, if I will not beat her, or I will not kick her, something like that, I will not do this thing, so she will also not hurt me in any ways. Okay, because when animals are angry, or if they don't like any kind of behavior, they may hurt you very badly accidentally. Okay, so here the girl is saying that we should not hurt animals or pet, so they will not also in return will not hurt us. Okay, they will, if we will love them, they will also love us. So I will not pull her tail. Usually children have some naughtiness in them. They try to pull the tail of the cats and dogs, to trouble them, to irritate them, and it is very wrong. They may turn back and they may bite you. It's very wrong. Never do that, children. Okay, it's not good. Okay, so here also that girl is telling us not to pull her tail, and I will not drive her away. Sometimes we just drag or pull those pets at our home or outside our campus, which is they are not liking it this. Okay, so you should never do that. And when I will be very gentle, very caring towards the pet, they will be also doing same thing with us. They will be very loving, playful. They will enjoy our company always and forever. So when children, cats, they love warm places. Okay, cats love warm places. So the girl is saying, I will sit near the fire and give some food to the little pussy cat. She will love me. Why? Because I will be very gentle and good. I will be very helpful to the cat. I will be taking care of the cat very nicely, so she will never hurt me. She will like me because of my gentleness, my caring nature. So now at last I love my pussy very much. I love my little pussy cat very much because I am giving her love and she in return also giving me back same love and care. Okay children, so here there are some rhyming words in the poem. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words are sounding similar. The words which are sounding similar, the spellings are different, the meaning is different, but only the sound is similar. For example, you can see the second line of the poem, last word warm. Okay, her coat is so warm. And the fourth line of the poem, she will do me no harm. Warm, harm. Okay, sounding similar. Then again, next stanza, away, play. Away, play. Same sounds. Okay, at the end. Okay, then next stanza, food, good. Food, good. Okay, so these are called rhyming words with similar sound. So there is one assignment for you all. You have to write such 20 rhyming words on your own. You have learned in first standard, in your KG also. You have to search different meanings and also rhyming words, different rhyming words, at least 20 new rhyming words you have to, as a pair you have to note it down in your notebook. Okay, and there are some dictation words also given at the end of the poem, so you have to read and write those words in your notebook 5 times each with today's date. Those words are warm, WARM, warm. Then next is hurt, HURT, hurt. Then harm, HARM, harm. Drive, DRIVE, drive. Gently, GENTLY, gently. Fire, FIRE, fire. Tail, TAIL, tail. So today we are done for the day. Thank you children. Bye. Take care.